Section 8.1, Objective 1. We want to consider a random variable x that is normally distributed. We're going to complete parts A through D below. This is a reading assessment question, so make sure that you answer on this question. First question says, if a random variable x is normally distributed, what will the shape of the distribution of the sample mean? Well, it's going to represent a normal shape since it's normally distributed. So therefore, out of all the choices in here, it's not going to be skewed left, it's not going to be skewed right, and cannot be determined. This answer is normal. Okay, next, the question says, if the mean of a random variable x is 60, then what will be the mean of the sampling distribution of the sample mean? So, if the mean of the random variable is 60, then it'll also be the mean of the sampling distribution. So therefore, the mean is going to be 60. So therefore, this answer is 60. Next question, it says, as the sample size n increases, what happens to the standard error of the mean? Well, the standard error of the mean would decrease. So as the sample size n increases, then the standard error of the mean decreases. So therefore, your answer for that is the following below. Last question, it says, if the standard deviation of a random variable x is 25, so the standard deviation is 25, and a random sample of size n is equal to 21 is obtained, what is the standard deviation of the sampling distribution of the sample mean? Okay, so looking at here, we can decide by looking at the given information that the standard deviation of the random variable is 25. So therefore, in our formula, the standard deviation is in the numerator. And then we know that the sample size of n is equal to 21. So therefore, it's going to be 25 over the square root of 21. Now in this question, they don't want us to solve the rest of this problem. It says to type an exact answer by using radicals as needed. So therefore, in our question, you're going to go ahead and type in 25 over the square root of 21.